Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete everything from any Android phone safely and easily. This method works on most Android devices and is especially useful if you're planning to sell your phone, give it to someone else, or simply want a fresh start. First, go to the Settings menu. This is where you can control and manage all the important features of your device. Once you're on the Settings page, scroll down slowly until you find the General Management option. Tap on it to open the menu. Next, look for the Reset option and tap on it. Inside this section, you'll see several reset choices. From here, select Factory Data Reset. This option will completely erase all data from your phone, including apps, photos, videos, contacts, and personal settings. Before proceeding, make sure you've backed up any important data because this process cannot be undone. After reviewing the information on the screen, scroll down and tap on the Reset button. You may be asked to enter your phone's PIN, password, or pattern to confirm your action. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions and your phone will begin the reset process. Once completed, your Android device will restart and return to its original factory settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.